Welcome to the Hitec video tutorial series. Hitec offers some of the most innovative servo technology on the market today. For decades, Hitec engineers have been defining, developing, and executing advancements in servo technology. Our latest improvement is our 32-bit chip technology, which has opened up new functions on all D-Series models, and as a standard, all D-Series servos have a 25-tooth spline. Hitec 32-bit chip technology allows for advanced programming options for specific applications, higher resolution, and a smoother overall operation. 32-bit chip technology also allows for a wide voltage input range. Most D-Series servo models can operate on 4.8 volt receiver batteries all the way up to a 2-cell LiPo. Soft start functionality is enabled by default with all D-Series models, reducing servo wear and tear as well as helping to eliminate the risk of damage to your model from sudden servo movements upon initial startup. The 25-tooth output spline is compatible with other popular servo manufacturers, allowing for easy drop-in installation in most instances. A complete hardware package is included with every D-Series servo, and higher-end models include a hex head bolt as standard. Thank you for watching this Hitec video tutorial. For other tutorials or product information, please visit www.hitecrcd.com or visit our social media outlets searching Hitec Multiplex USA.